So in this video, I will share with you some important tips that will help you to learn spoken English more faster and you can enjoy this language. So if you want to improve your spoken English and if you want to speak fluently, that times you have to follow these rules. So first, every day try to reading books or newspaper. When you reading, that times you do two things. A, you read the text. B, your brain absorb this alphabet in your head. So try to read 10 or 20 minutes every day. It doesn't matter what you are reading. If you are interested in news, that times you have to start reading newspaper. But if you are interested in reading books, that times you have to reading this type of English books. I read this type of books so many times because I want to improve my spoken English. So try to read something. Please read more. If you want to learn a new language, just times you have to immerse yourself complete in that material. I mean, you have to do everything in English when you started learning new language. So try to read something. Please read more. Second tip is practice every day. Most of people, they are stopped to practice spoken English because they made lots of mistakes. That's okay. That's the part of process. When you made mistakes one time, two time, 1 month, 2 months, after that it will fix. Don't stop practice. If you doesn't find any partner to practice your spoken English, you can use artificial intelligence because there are tons of AI tools in the market who will help you to learn new language, will help you to learn any skill. So practice every day. When I started my journey, this times I practice in front of mirror lots of time. So try to practice with yourself. It build your confidence and you can speak more fluently and you will find confidence inside your heart. Because practice with yourself, it means you train your brain. When you train your brain, this times your body will follow. So try to practice every day with yourself. If you doesn't find any partner, that's okay. But if you have a hope to speak fluently, this time you practice with yourself. So try to practice yourself. My third and important tip, try to record yourself on your smartphone. When you record yourself, that times after that when you watch your video, that times you will see your mistakes because when we speak, that times we made lots of mistakes, and after that, when we review this video, that times we find where we made mistakes and where we have this type of sound. So try to record yourself in your smartphone. When you record yourself like this, hi, my name is Sumaya, and I started learning spoken English. I want to speak fluently. When you do this, after that you watch this video and just notice where you made a mistake. And guys, please don't think about grammatical mistakes because grammatical mistake is not important in spoken English because this is a language, and when you speak a language, just then there is no time to think about grammar. I think you will understand because when I speak, there are tons of rules in grammar. But when you started learning this language, this time there is no time to think about grammar. First, you have to able to speak English. First, you have to able to make a sentence in English. So do this three thing in your house at your home. And if you need any help to learning spoken English, you can knock me. I have some still right now. I have some grammatical mistakes, but I made a video in front of public place. I made a video in front of fear. I speak lots of in front of so many students. I do everything just improve this. So if I do, you can definitely do, and you can do better than me because I know you are the good and very intelligent person. So try to do this. Reading newspaper, practice yourself, record yourself, and most important thing, don't lose your hope.